hornbills are also known as Papuan hornbills. And you can see these guys come from Papuan Island. That's why their name is Papuan hornbills. And one interesting fact is you can see they are from same species, but they look little different, right? That is because these species are simple that these animals have quills on their back. So can you guess the animal? Porcupine, exactly. So these are our Indian crested porcupines, and as you can see, they have those quills on their back for their defense. So people think in order to protect themselves, they can shoot those quills, but that's not true. Whenever they get attacked, they just run backwards, poke those quills into the attacker's face, eyes or skin, and they can just run away like that. So let's hear it for our, so let's welcome our raccoons. So these are our lovely raccoons, and they have realized that instead of running around and hunting for food, they can just get food easily around humans. All they have to do is wait for humans to throw their trash in the trash can, and here they get their food very easy. But the problem is, whenever they eat their food, they mess up the whole place, just like this. And we humans don't like messy trash cans, right? So what we do, sometimes people like to shoot them, or even worse, they put poison in their diet in order to kill them. But not knowing that their main diet is rodents, which means if we have less raccoons outside, we will have more rodents. And right now you can see what he's doing. He's eating his food, but he is washing it before eating. That's how they get their name, which is washing bears. So let's give them a big round of applause. So let's welcome our pelicans. Alright, so these are our great white pelicans, and as you can see, they are really huge. And because of their size, you may think that these birds are not facing problems in the wild to find their food. But that's not true. These birds are also facing problems because of overfishing and overpollution of the water. They are not getting enough diet in the wild. But these birds are opportunistic feeders, which means they can eat whatever they can fit in their mouth. And they have learned to steal food from the fish market. So here they go back with their trainers. And these animals are tree-climbing mammals. As you can see, they have those sharp claws which help them to climb on the trees, and they have this long tail which helps them to balance on the tree. And they have this long snout which they can rotate around 60 degrees in order to smell the food. And one interesting fact that these animals are omnivores, which means they can eat all kinds of fruits and insects. And you want to see more? Yeah. Okay, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Welcome, Maru. So watching the show, I hope you like it. And always remember one important thing, that we are the only problem for this wonderful creature, but in the end, we are the only solution for them. On behalf of all the keepers, all the trainers, and of course all the animals, I would like to say thank you so much for visiting and have a lovely day only here at Dubai Safari Park. Bye-bye.